This is a bad idea. Yeah, it's bad enough now. I feel like I'm playing at night. Condoms off, boys. Don't go on, dog. No, it doesn't work. Don't bring racing to this. Alright, get this. Alright, you just do that one day, man. Oh, thanks. You got raced. Anybody got a radio? Nope. I do. Do you know where, can you ask where Lewis and Emma is? Nope. Lewis? Does anybody know what Lewis is? Huh? Yeah, but I don't know what side it's on. Where are the alpha dogs? Funny idea to push it. Don't fucking... Ow! Dickhead! Oh, my nuts are chafing. Oh, I checked it again. I went and bought some ball cream. I had you a little rough there for a second. Watch out, quick. Watch the stick, boy. What? The dick? I'll wait for you guys. I'm gonna regret this. I was hoping I would get the gold tonight. Yeah, I thought it was gonna be cold. I thought I was gonna be freezing all night because I got under on it. Yeah. You wanna go make these guys feel like a bunch of pussies? Yeah, let's do it. Let's do it. Running. Dude, I can't believe they're back this far. Hey, BP. You're supposed to have your glow stick hooked up to that thing, so if it's visible, you're dead. You gotta put that in your pocket. How'd you glow stick that? It's not even cracked, so. Just toss it inside of it. I've seen a lot of people. Yeah, there's a lot of people in there. Right? Are they seriously shooting that, right? Hey guys, who are we fighting back here? Getting back there. Yeah. How much more colorful crap is doing that? Oh, dude. You gotta take the helmet off. It's his. It's his gun. Oh. How far back are these guys? Oh, God. Hey, who are we fighting back here? Really? Stop. They don't stop. They're way back there. I mean, they're not that far away. When they stopped this whole line, all I heard was a pump gun and what sounded like a 98 shoot. So it was like, dude, and everyone's like, oh. There's like the sheer three. I mean, by now, there's probably more than that.
Jacob! Alex!
Louis. Guys, who are we fighting back here? Because I don't see anybody. They're up over there. Okay, cool. Okay.